Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennalyn. I'm currently an LVN here in California. I've been an LVN for 5 years now, and I'm a current BSN student at Nightingale College in Utah. I'm in week 3 of my first semester, and I start my nursing core classes next semester, and it's already a lot of work, and this is not even the nursing core classes yet. So I can't even imagine my nursing core courses. So I wanted to make a video on staying motivated while you're in nursing school. I've already had so many mental breakdowns trying to turn all of this stuff in. I know I'm only starting out now. I don't know how I'll feel later down the road, but if I keep this mindset going, I think I'll be fine. So one thing that's helped me stay motivated is I keep a countdown. I know it could be really bad, but it could be really good. For me, it's been good because I look at it and I'm like, okay, there's this many days until I'm done. I keep my countdown in my whiteboard back here, and every morning I just tally it down. I count it down. So my program, I guess, ends August 22nd, 2025. So my program ends that time. So at the start, it was 592 days until graduation, and now it's at 575. It sounds like a big number, but just seeing it go down slowly gives me so much joy because I'm one step closer, one day closer to finishing and getting that BSN. Number 2, like I said before and advised you guys before, to join these Facebook groups that are within your area that's also attending Nightingale, because they're a lot of support. So I love seeing the graduates finishing the program successfully. Gives me so much hope, because that'll be me one day, that'll be me. And so I get super motivated to be just I'm gonna be them one day. I'm gonna get there, and I'm gonna be one of those graduates who walks across the stage and just look back at all the stuff that I've been through and be so proud. So it's just good to know that the outcome went well. Yeah, you're gonna get negative outcomes. Someone's always going to say something negative, but you got to look at the positive because it's your experience overall. And if you take that negativity, you're just not going to have a fun time. So see the brighter side of things. Motivation number 3, they're daily reminders for me. So when I feel like I'm giving up, or I feel so stressed with all the homework that I can't finish, I just think about I've already worked so hard to get to this point. What's another assignment? What's another discussion post? What's another test that I gotta do to pass? So just daily reminders of how far you and me have come to get to this point. This is 5 years in the making of finally getting into a nursing program that fits my schedule, fits my life, and that works well with my family. So motivation number 4 is being financially stable, being able to financially afford things for your kids, things for yourself that you've wanted. Some people are probably gonna be like, that seems kind of selfish. Well, if it's something that you want and you've worked really hard for, I don't think it's selfish. That's just me. So that's another motivation for me, is keep going, keep going, keep going, because the light at the end of the tunnel at this. And I hope this helps in any way. Whatever your motivation is, keep at it. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope this kind of helps you in any way, shape or form. But if not, well, I'm sorry, I tried. So these are just things that I've been doing to motivate myself to keep going. Be kind to your mind, and I'll see you in my next video.